Welcome to our animated video on precision versus accuracy. Well, to begin, let's define these two important concepts. Precision refers to the degree of consistency and exactness in measurements or result. Accuracy, on the other hand, refers to the closeness of measured or calculated value to its true or target value. Imagine a target in terms of precision. Hitting close together is crucial. However, accuracy is about hitting the bullseyes or the desired target. Let's consider a measurement example. A group of rulers with slightly different markings demonstrated precision, as they show consistent but possibly incorrect measurements. In contrast, accuracy is achieved when a single ruler displays the correct measurements. Precision and accuracy play a vital role in various fields. In scientific research, for example, precise measurement help ensure reliable and reproducible results. Accurate calculations provide a solid foundation for engineering designs and manufacturing process. When analyzing data, both precision and accuracy are crucial. A high level of precision ensures that data points cluster together, while accuracy ensures that the data points are close to the true value. In summary, precision and accuracy are distinct but interconnected concepts. Achieving both is essential for obtaining trustworthy and valuable outcomes in scientific research, engineering, project, and other domains. We hope this animated video has helped you to understand the difference between precision and accuracy. Remember, precision is about consistency, while accuracy is about correctness. Thank you for watching.